How to fix Valorant updates problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just right click on Valorant, then go to properties. After that go to compatibility, and now just enable those two options, apply and OK. And after that open task manager, and now maybe you'll find it like that. Then just click memory and then scroll down until you find Riot icon or Valorant icon. Just scroll down until you find it, and when you find it just right click and then click in the task, and that's it. And after that just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. If that doesn't fix it, all you need to do just type here view advanced system settings and then click settings. Now click adjust for best performance, click apply and then OK, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.